Charlotte and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing something different. I'm doing a twist out. And these are the final results. I ended up doing the side part. So if you guys want to see how I did my twist out, then keep on watching. So I just rinsed out my deep conditioner. So next, I'm just gonna put my hair in 4 sections, as I always do, because my hair is just way too thick to apply products to all of it at one time. So next I'm gonna use the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Cream. This is what I usually use on my wash and go, so let's use it on a twist out, what it's intended for a change. So I'm gonna just apply this and then I'm gonna apply olive oil to all of the sections. And of course, Eco Styler gel. This is my gel. This is my ish. So in the back section, I'm gonna do like 4 braids. I'm gonna just get a comb. My hair should be pretty detangled since I already detangled it in the shower. And then gel. My camera literally just shut off, so I don't know where it last ended, but I'm so tired. And then I just swirl the end. When it touches the back of your neck. So this is my hair when it's completely dry. I literally wore my hair like this for a week, like I kid you not. I've really been on my quarantining. So I'm just taking out each of the twists. I didn't put any oil or anything on my hands. I probably should have, but I also don't care that much, so. Y'all, look at this one. I'm so proud of it. So I think that's all of them. So next I'm gonna just separate them so they can be fluffier. Is that one right here? See? Every time you think that you got them all, it's always that one. Or those 2. Okay, next, I'm not separating my hair in any particular type of way. I'm just separating until I get my hair to look the way that I want it. I'm just start off from the back. Okay, so real quick, I'm about to do a side part. So then after I did my side part, these are the final results. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys like this video, then give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out some other videos already on my channel, and I'll see you guys in another video.